Okay, so question is, should you come to White Sands National Park?
Oh my gosh, this is way better.
We are Michelle, Philip, Bean, and Hops, and together we were playing Hooky from Teaching. Come along on our adventures. This is going to be interesting. We'll see what happens. Okay, good afternoon. So today we are just outside of Alamogordo, New Mexico. We're here to see White Sands National Park. And I don't know if you can hear this background noise, but now is not really the time to go check out sand dunes. And let me show you why.
Whoa, that was a big one.
So that's the little lake that is outside of where we're staying. It's called, Raptor Lake. And we are on BLM land right outside of like Holloman Air Force Base. You know, we were totally down for free. And then yesterday as we pulled in, we saw that there was a extreme weather advisory. So today, since like 11 a.m., it has been sustained gusts of like 30 miles an hour, or sustained winds of like 30 miles an hour, and then gusts of up to 65. So I think right now what we are going through is the gusts of 65. It's supposed to be ending here in the next hour or so, but yeah, it's been kind of rough. Obviously, we didn't go check out the sand dunes because nothing sounds worse than sand dunes in the middle of a windstorm. So we've just been kind of...
That was a big one.
Oh my gosh.
The whole slide is trembling.
Holy cow.
Okay.
So yeah, we've just been hanging out inside of the trailer. Yesterday, I actually broke one of our stabilizer jacks, pulling out of a parking lot because it was one of those gas stations where like it's gravel and then it goes up and then it go like down. Like it's just terrible design and erosion and just bad. So we actually ended up clipping one of our stabilizers and it completely got mangled. Oh my gosh.
It's insane.
This is like the worst it's been.
Yeah, it is.
I use like a car jack to kind of replace it, but so I went out this morning and picked up a couple more. Obviously, I'm not going to install them right now because that would be awful. But I mean, we're completely stable. I mean, as stable as you can be in 65 mile an hour winds. So yeah, this has been fun. You guys want to see what it's like outside?
Good luck.
Okay, you only get like 3 seconds of this because I don't want to do this.
It's actually in between gusts right now, so it's not even bad.
Oh my gosh, it's like the door's pressure sealed. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, that was fun.
Woo! Love windstorms.
The cats have done surprisingly well. Oh, I just hit one of Hoppy's crinkles. So yeah, it's not supposed to be as windy tomorrow, which means we should be able to get out there and check out the White Sands National Park. We'll probably see you tomorrow when we're sledding.
If we don't blow away. I thought I was filming for like the last 7 minutes, and it wasn't. So I'm gonna do my best to walk you through that again. We are on the Dunes Drive at, oh, they are sledding.
Squirrel!
Yeah.
We're on the Dunes Drive at White Sands National Park. This is the drive. This is the entire park. The park is fairly small. We are right about here-ish probably. So we're driving around here. We're scouting for sledding locations.
So this is a good one. There's a lot of people here.
Oh, okay, noted. So the reason we were sledding here, the sand dunes, first of all, are actually primarily gypsum here, and I guess gypsum behaves a bit like snow. It's firmer than other types of sand, so it holds you up while you sled, and actually allows you to sled. So we are looking for a sledding location, because I have been pumped about this forever. We bought a very overpriced sled. This sled was $26 at the gift shop at the visitor center if you want to buy a sled here, and if you don't bring your own. You can give it back and they will resell it for $16, and they repay you for your slightly used sled with a beer koozie. So there's that. You can always look forward to your beer koozie upon returning your sled.
I think we're just gonna give ours to somebody.
Yeah, we might just give it away.
Because I don't need another beer koozie, and
we also don't need a giant red sled.
it also just seems wrong that they're gonna make like $42 or $52.
Well, how many times can they resell it to?
Forever.
Yeah. So we'll probably just give it away. It is a little bit moody out here today. See the rain clouds over there? It was raining on us just a little bit ago. Just some sprinkles though, so that's good.
Do you want to pull over at any of these? There's less people in the hill
There
scene.
are less. That looks pretty steep,
yeah.
actually. Sure, why not?
Do you want to do that one?
Sure. We're going sledding! We also brought plenty of spare clothes because we weren't really sure how covered in gypsum we would be.
This might kind of hurt hitting the bottom.
Luckily, gypsum is now non-toxic, so we're good with that. Are you pumped?
I think unless you inhale it. Like, I read that it's not toxic, but if you inhale it, like, it could cause cancer.
Are you sure? Because they put gypsum in, like, all sorts of building materials.
I read it because as I was under the trailer trying to fix our stabilizer, like, I was just sucking it in like a vacuum.
All right, well, we have that to look forward to. Don't breathe it.
Onward, Michelle.
Do you think it? What do you think it's like? Oh God. Oh God. I don't know if I can climb it. It is so weird feeling. It's like big
it's like sandglass sand.
I don't know how I'm possibly supposed to sled on this because I can't get up it.
I think you just gotta go. This might be a barefoot exercise actually. I might go barefoot.
That's a good idea. Ready? Wait, ready?
Oh my God.
Okay, shoes are coming off. You're right.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, did you see that?
No.
Wait, get my other one. Okay, ready? Ready? That's actually so much gypsum. This is awesome.
That's insane.
That was in my shoe. Also, look at my sock. They actually, you're right, they look like sugar cookies. That was so difficult. It's so pretty up here though.
All right. Show the people what we want to see.
We might have needed the blacks.
Yeah. Oh no, that's pretty good.
Oh my gosh! Ah! That was awesome! It's so difficult to climb though.
Here, take the GoPro on this one. You ready?
Okay. How do I hold on to it? Ah! We're going sideways!
Billy's turn.
Okay.
Oh, the rain.
It's okay. It's still fun.
Wow, it is pretty up here.
Isn't it?
This is really steep.
Yeah, I know. It's like 2 steps forward, 1 step back, literally. This is so cool though. Oh God.
I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, it's gonna work!
It's working really well.
I feel like I'm gonna break it. Bon voyage!
Oh God, I'm gonna slip off! Ah! That was awesome.
Nice.
Woo. Oh my gosh, this is way better.
Okay, so question is, should you come to White Sands National Park? That's not even really a question. The answer is yes. The only recommendation I would make is check your weather. It's a little cold right now. The sand is pretty cold. And also bring your own sled. $26 is a lot. Not that it's not worth it, but 26 bucks is a lot for a plastic disc. Well, should people come to White Sands National Park?
For sure. It's really cool. It's really different. The sledding. It's kind of amazing. You should go.
That's it, just the sledding?
Well, you kind of caught me awkwardly eating a Cliff Bar, so I don't know.
Best time to interview. Not a bad view, huh, Michelle?
Good.
A little cold.
It is a little chilly today.
So what are your thoughts on White Sands National Park?
It was fun. It was small. Unless you're backpacking, probably, it's definitely just a day trip. But it's gorgeous out here.
Yeah. Where are we staying right now? What is this place?
It's called Raptor Lake BLM. That's all I know about it.
Yeah. So this
some people also call it Lake Holloman.
Lake Holloman?
Yeah, because that's the Air Force Base
Yeah.
right there.
So the Air Force Base, as I've said before, is over there. You can kind of see some buildings. Building there, water tower right there too. So jets will just take off like quite frequently. We haven't heard any lately though, so they must be done for the night. But yeah, this is Raptor Lake. It is extremely toxic, but you wouldn't know that just looking at it right now with all the birds in it.
Yeah, the loons don't seem to mind.
Yeah, when the wind is not blowing, you get a sunset over those hills, and that is
Clouds just glow.
something else. Okay, so for the rest of our night, we're taking off tomorrow. We are just going to, I think we're making pizza tonight, so I might put some footage of that right here. But thank you guys for tuning into this week's video. It's been, you know, definitely up and down with that wind, and our stabilizer, I guess me breaking our stabilizer, that was definitely a down. But I think all those downs kind of, you know, fade when you're looking at beautiful sunsets like this. This is our first time camping on water, and hopefully it won't be the last. So yeah, it's been a good evening. We both were pretty exhausted, but I think we're happy to be here. So yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. We will see you guys
next week. What am I supposed to say?
Yep, we'll see you guys next week.
Later.
All right. Adios.